morning. It's Wednesday morning. The time is 9:16. I'm on my way to go and pick Phil up. Obviously I do my intros when I'm in the truck when I go and pick Phil up, because you know me, the confidence isn't always there when I'm with Phil. I don't tend to just get the camera out and start talking to myself because I feel like a bit of a tit. So yeah. So we're just on the way now to go pick Phil up. Then we're going to Frankie's to go and get a ton of sand, and some cement. Off to the job and carry on laying down the bottom end, and then up to the path area. We have got a nip off at the end of the day to a job that we did in Ripley. Just did a little patio area on top of some sleepers. And over Christmas, cold weather, well, could have been cold and then warm, the sleepers have moved slightly, which has made one of the slabs pop off. So I'm just going to go back and bed that back down for them, get all that sorted for them, no problem at all. It's not my fault, it's not their fault, it's just with your bedding on sleepers. I did give them the option to not go on the sleepers and to go up to the sleepers, which is what I always recommend, but they said no, they didn't want that, they wanted to go over the sleepers, and I did warn them it might happen. And it's happened, so it is what it is. I'll go back, I'll sort it out, I'll bed it back down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a strong SBR and cement mix, do it like a bit of a runny paste, like an adhesive kind of, like PVA thickness to it, slow it all on the cement bed and all on the back of the slab again, and then stick it back down with that. That will work a treat, as long as I don't walk on it till the weekend at least. So yeah, that's the plan. That's what we're doing today. So yeah, hopefully we'll be onto the path by end of play today, which will be absolutely fantastic. Then tomorrow, I've just got a little job to go to tomorrow. Just a little clearing a bed out, clearing some soil out, putting some stone in again. Just a little job before I get it in, quick cash job. Can't beat them, can you? So I like to pull them in here and there. So that's the job tomorrow. The job that we're on in a minute, we need to send them a quote for some artificial grass on the front garden where them pebbles are, because they're not nothing to do with me. They're not liking the look of the buff slabs with the, well, you could say buff style pebbles. They just match too much, and it just looks like one. Yeah, just there's no contrast between them. So yeah, so I'm at Phil's now, so I'll pick Phil up and then I'll catch up with you guys when we get to the job. Right, Phil's round the front getting a few mixers on. I'm just going to get ready, just open all this bit up here, ready for in bringing mixers down, and then it's a case of getting a 600, that's 600 in there. There's 300 in there, that might need to be cut, and there's a little bit in there, a little bit in there, and then same there in the corner, and then this area is done. It looks like it's set nicely from what I can tell. Let's have a look. Oh, it's still a little bit brittle, but not too bad. It's set. Once we've done this bottom bit here, we can then leave this area to set fully, then give it a clean and everything else. Yeah, look how big this is, massive, humongous. So yeah, let's get this bit area tidied up here, ready for slabbing.
I've been searching for a piece of me. I've been counting on the hands of time. I love my body, I love my mind, with desire for out of place, out of space, floating higher.
Feathers been calling, my enemies stalling, my people been balling, my team we been wildin'. Canada 100, we use basic tools. Strategies moving where we gotta move. There wasn't no option, no time on the clock, and no setting it back, and we gotta get profit. I'm standing on top of the glory, the road. We was just rebels, ain't do what was told. When they asked me how we leveled up, without us getting stuck, we just muscled up. This game spin, no one gotta tighten up, gotta muscle up, or you will get stuck in this game. Or you will get stuck. enemies falling, I'm balling on top of that mountain. I'm on and I'm calling my mom and to tell her I'm good. I'm surrounded by family like back in the hood. I was falling from grace, I was misunderstood. Hey, the pressure would sit you right down, but I stood up. I mean what I say and I say what I mean. On the balcony screaming, they just let me be. B had to slow it down. What goes around comes around. Oh, the frequency different now. I was going through different rounds. Hey, it's crazy, the progress is hitting now. Ain't no sitting and lost and found. I found what I lost in a minute now. I was on the wrong path, I admit it now. My only option was to get it now.
I got it on both and I learned from the losses. My failure was friendship, I saw it was costing. Started like everyone had certain tools. Only difference is I knew what to do. Now everyone calling when progress is stolen. My stock is missing, my life it ain't boring. Ain't no more hitting me up when you lose. When it's time to wake up, see you hitting the snooze.
When they ask me how we leveled up without us getting stuck, we just muscled up. This game's been no one gotta tighten up, gotta muscle up, or you will get stuck in this game.
Ever seen that before? Just like a drain in the grass.
I know, yeah, weird, isn't it? You got thing, pencil.
Ring pencil. Plugs in. Just don't know, is it?
It plugs in. The
Could
butt plug.
be what plugs in. Oh wow, Dave. Put your butt plug in.
Fucking hell.
Fucking hell. A wheelbarrow. What a big bum you've got.
Oh, the shock jet system.
Perfect timing, that one.
Oh dear. The funny thing is, I know.
Hey,
Funny thing is, I know.
it went right with your bum hole.
Camera's on. Oh dear. I'm about to show Laura now how we properly do it at work.
Yeah. Guess what happened to do at work, Laura? I rolled the wheelbarrow.
Feel violated, I feel I need to go to police and
Need to go counselling.
form a complaint.
fucking hate these safety caps. Fucking push down. Yeah, I've done that. Fucker. Fuck off. Look at pieces of shit.
Alright, Phil.
Yeah, so you.
Yeah.
Feeling my fucking pain now.
Yeah, man.
Fucking stupid fucking top. Why make it that hard to get into? Are the scared kids are going to drink it? I've even tried doing what you said, tighten it and then try. Fucking doesn't work. Is it frothing? Is that what you had to do last time?
Yeah.
Break it.
Yeah, Cecil.
Got a good fucking slop in.
Good slot.
Yeah, because we're going to use loads, aren't we?
We're going to need that and all, aren't we, for a barrier, so. Yeah. Good, but what we'll do is dead thick and
Yeah.
gloopy, so we'll spread it on
We'll do a new one before we leave.
Yeah, man. Oh, I bet you're jealous you're not working around here, aren't you?
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
Top off. Get your vest out.
Pants out. I'm getting my mankini on.
I'll fucking stay around here.
Oh, that.
Bed at fucking 9 o'clock.
Bath and bed.
Eh?
Bath and bed.
Back from bed.
Bath and bed.
When did I go in the shower? I think I might have went in the shower after the gym that day. Can't remember. Get a good load on there.
Yeah. Or whatever's left, we'll just put it on that bottom bit again.
Yeah.
Dollop it all over it.
Some grass.
So let's leave it quite thick in places. It'll still go down because it's only thin stuff in it.
Yeah.
It'll still go down. That's it.
Alright guys, you can't see me very well because it's got dark, but that's a wrap from me for today. Just been and done that slab. There was actually 2 slabs that was loose, so we've done both of them for them. Just done a strong SBR cement mix, pasted it on, and that should bond it like that slab did in the skip that you saw that we did. It was solid, that was. So yeah, that's a wrap from me. So see you guys in the morning.